Hi guys, this is Sarah Shnoi. So today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday party scenery. My last video, I have told you how to make a beautiful house. So in this video, I will show you to make a birthday party one. So first go in paint, just search paint. So here we go, paint. Okay, so here's paint. So first what we have to do is to make a birthday party scenery. First, take a circle to make the designs. Little big one, just like this, a little one. Yeah, put it here like a design. So the same thing over over this side. Now let's do here. So here you can also put triangles, putting like balloons type of, but I'm doing circle and diamond mix. First, let's do circle, the cute circle, this one circle here, and the same size, a little bit bigger. That's it. Here, like this. Now I'm going to put some big diamonds. Only this much. First, I'm going to do this. Same there. So let's put another diamond over here and another little diamond over here. Okay? Wait. First, wait. Okay, so I'm not going to do the same. I'm just going to put big, little smaller diamonds. Not diamonds, circle here. Same for here. Now big diamonds. One over here, one big diamond here. And over here, I am going to put a big circle. Oh, no, how about a little cute star? You know, you can put anything over here you want. I'm putting a star, so cute star. That's it. Like this. Okay? It looks cute. Okay? So now let's. Oh, it's a little bigger, so I'm just going to put a little shorter circle. Oh, sorry. Little bigger, little shorter. That's it. It's now cute, and we have this much space to make the cake and the kids over here. Okay, so first let's make the cake. Start with the cake. So for the cake, first we need a table, always need a table. Let's do a circle or else cute circle, little here. So we can make the cute one. Okay, okay, like this. We need the legs for the table. Always need some legs for the table. Short legs that are over the back. This. Same over here. Wait, too big. That's it. This cute, cute legs are done. My legs are done off the table. Now let's start to make the cake. So how to make the cake is first take the rectangle. Just you always know how to make a cake, but a little like this. Here we go. It's like a cute cake. You want to raise this line, just go to razor, touch it, just raise it. You know how to raise it. This, like this. Done raising it. The same thing at the top. Here I'm going to put, I forgot something. Little shorter, too big. That's it. Looks cute. Now the upper one. Oops. There we go. It looks cute. If you want to make the upper one, you can make, and I'm doing the same thing. The upper one. That's it. Looks good. Good. Now let's start making the design in the cake. You can make anything. So we'll make the design later. First, let's make the people. How to make the people? First, the faces are always circle like this. Wait, little here. Forgot something. Little girl. Now let's. If you want to make a half face, you can use this line and cut it over here type of. And I'm going to make a half face. You can also make a full face. I'm doing the half face because she's going over here to the cake. Okay, so now let me, here we go, start like this. Now, first it's a cute smile, cute. She's looking super duper cute. Now her dress, if she's a girl, if she's a, if he's a boy, you can make a t-shirt and some paints over here. But I'm making girl, so she has a cute skirt too. If you want to make a skirt, just use these lines. Over here, little here. That's it. Like this. Now let's make her legs and hands. She is here, so I'm making both hands here because the hands are always here when you walk to here. So I'm going to put a plate on her hands because she's holding a plate. That's why it's a cute plate. And now let's make our hair. He's a boy. Don't make hairs. But she's a girl, so just draw some lines. And this, she looks like a girl, cute girl. Now you can make another one, another people, and I'm going to make that people facing backwards. So it will be much easy. Just make the same. But he is a boy. Now a t-shirt, and it's very easy now. Oh, oops. Done like this. And his legs like this. So now we don't have to do anything because he's, you know, backside. That's why. And he's a boy. So when we will color it, it will look like that he's a boy. Okay. So now let's color. So now let's do the finishing of the cake. First, you can make anything, but I'm making beautiful of this at up here. I'm going to put this star over here. Only one over here. This. Okay. Now let's do a cute little diamond. Two diamonds. One here is going to be here. And now let's do the finishing, the last bottom one. It's going to be a cute square type of done. Many of these looks cute. It's like a cute design. Okay, so now let's color it. You can do. So I forgot to tell you that these all are the colors, and this is size one. We can make it big. I'll show you like you want to make it this one like this, and these all are the shapes. These all are the brushes. When you open this, these will hand up, and these are the tools. Okay, so now let's color it. So now let's color it. So first, let's do the girl's hair black. Oh yeah, if you want to color, get this and let's do it. This cute girl is her hair. Now you can make these any color. First, I'm doing them pink, here dark blue, light blue, red. Let's do dark here, both of the sides, purple at the last. Okay, now let's collect the cake. My cute cake. This will go at the diamonds. The orange, how about that there? In light blue, very light blue at here. And light yellow at top. Let's do red on every color. Yellow. How about purple of this? And there's a little light type of blue. Oops. Okay. Now let's do them. We'll stay them white, and the table's color always brown. Same. I'm gonna do it brown. Okay. Legs brown. Oops. Like this. Oops. That's okay. It looks good. Now let's do the humans. It's going to be yellow and shirt is going to be blue. Oopsie. This need his pants. Oops. That's okay, we'll just say it. Now let's do the girls one because she's very cute, pretty and blue. Let's do it pink, pink, like this. Cute, cute pink. How about red at the bottom? Bottom, it looks good. Very cute. Now let's make some cute diamonds on her dress. They're going to be, oops, to make them about black. Cute. Because black looks amazing at happy color. So now it's all done. Now I'm going to tell you how to save it. At another of it, push save button. Now your grill will come and I'm going to write shape drawing. Shape, it's a birthday party I'm going to write. It's a birthday party, so probably birthday party preparation. This, now just put that save and your drawing will come at this one. I will show you where will it come. It will come over here. You can see birthday party and your drawing will come and you can see your drawing whenever you want. So please like, share and comment my video and please subscribe my video to see all my videos that I made. Thank you. Bye bye girl friends.